Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So for today's video, we're going to be checking out some ways that you can style your short hair. The first style features a half up, half down variation. She does two space bonds here and flips the bottom portion of the hair upward. Very cute style. And then we move into our next one. So she has a pixie cut here. And she kind of does like this slicked down hairstyle. This is so cute and fun. Followed by hairstyle number 3. Now for this one, she has a super short pixie. She does have bangs in the front. And she simply adds some braids to the style. Next up, we have someone who has a bob. So she does kind of like a wash and go here to give that hair the natural curly texture appearance that it has. And she just kind of shows off some different hairstyle ideas that you can do with a bob. Moving right along, we have another bob hairstyling video. So I'm just going to warn you right now, the majority of these hairstyles in today's video are going to be bobs. I don't know if you guys noticed, but bobs are very popular right now. So if you do have a bob haircut, or if you are thinking of cutting your hair into this length, this video will definitely give you some major hairstyling inspiration. So she does like the clean girl aesthetic here, half up, half down. Part in the middle really slicks back the hair. And then flips the hair in the back upwards. Next up, we have another styling of a bob. Don't be alarmed. So for this one, she's going to be adding some things in the front and then doing another half up, half down variation. I absolutely adore her lip color. Like that is just such a pretty shade. So she does style the baby hairs here. She does a top knot and then keeps the hair curled downward. Making sure to curl the little bang in the front. Next up, I absolutely adore this woman's hair color. She's rocking the contrasting hair color trend, platinum and black. So she shows us several different ways that you can once again style a bob. I like the way she does her makeup and everything too. Next up, we have a ginger bob. So she's going to be styling her bob as well. So she does style the baby hair. So this one looks like she did a top knot, half up, half down variation. Here we have another bob. She does leave some bangs out in the front and proceeds to do another half up, half down style. So here we have someone who is about to get married. She's trying out some different looks for her wedding day, and she recently cut her hair into a bob, so she's trying to figure out some styles that she could actually wear. She wanted to do an updo. So this is a style that we used to do in the 90s called like the French twist. And if that's not the name, I can't recall what the actual name was, but this was like a go-to formal hairstyle back in the 90s. Very cute. And she can put some pearls there and really just accent the hair with her gown. That would be so beautiful. Next up, we have someone who has like a French girl style bob. So I love her hair color. She's like this red burgundy toned, and the hair color is growing out. So she kind of has like that ombre, darker root thing going on. And she does like this messy, wavy texture. This is what I would like to call a lived-in bob hairstyle. Her bangs in the front are super cute as well. Next up, we have a curly hairstyle. So she's going to be adding in some braids here and using the rubber bands and then doing some curls in the back. So obviously for this style, you need to know how to cornrow because otherwise you wouldn't be able to make the look work. You can also do twist as well. She does style the baby hairs. And then she adds some curls going there in the back. Very pretty. Next up, so we see the same woman that we saw before. She had a shorter pixie variation there. And now her hair has kind of grown out a tad. So she's going to be doing more of like a bob look. This is what I would like to call a mini bob style. Very, very cute. So if you have a pixie and you are looking to grow it out, this would be a great way to just kind of continue to curl your hair, style it, and let it grow out into more of like a bob. And then here we have someone, she also has a bob, but I love her red hair color. If you guys are new to this channel, just know that I am obsessed with the red hair. I don't know why, I just think it just looks so gorgeous. So she does 2 mini buns here. Well, not mini buns, but space buns, because those buns are actually pretty big. But super cute everyday hairstyle for sure. Alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed all of today's hairstyle ideas. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.